Assalamualaikum. My name is Alhamdulillah, and in this video I am going to do comparison between laptop and computer. So everyone know that laptops and computers are very different from each other, but many people think that laptop and computers are same, but they are not same. Laptops and computer have very much different things, but in this video I will compare them, and this video will be divided in many sections like performance, portability, and many other things. So if you don't have subscribed my channel, subscribe to my channel, watch the video, and if your friend or someone is buying laptop or computer and he wants the guide that either he should buy a laptop or computer, so share the video to him, and let's get straight into the video. The first factor in which I will divide my video in is performance. Performance is something someone buys laptop or computer to do homeworks and assignments and job works and every other things, or preparing presentations and etc. Performance is very bad, or I can say very poor in laptops against computers. Computers have very good performance because they have their CPUs and GPUs in very large format, or it has very good cooling solutions. Like you can upgrade your coolings, and you can upgrade your performance, and overclocking is more practical in computers. But in laptop there are the GPUs and CPUs are in the form of chips, and you cannot get better cooling. So that's why laptop get heat, and it can be poor in performance. As we can say, if you people game on people game on laptop and computer, you can game more practically on computer because it have good cooling solutions, but laptop do not have good cooling solutions. There is very bigger performance gap in laptops and computers. As you can compare the GTX 1650 graphic card in computers and GTX 1650 graphic card in laptop, there is huge gap in FPS. There is huge space in FPS. You can get more FPS in PC, but you will not get more FPS in laptops. You will require more cooling for laptops. So if you are going to buy a laptop or your personal computer for gaming purpose, I will say you should go for computers, because you can upgrade it on time to time with very less money. But if you want to upgrade a laptop, you will have to buy a full new laptop for it. If you want portable thing, or you are away from your house, or you cannot carry your computer from you with you, so I can say you can buy a laptop. But in my case, I am far away from my home, 24 hours away from my home. I cannot carry my computer, so I am using laptop right now and gaming on it, because I have not play many big games, big titles like RDR2 etc. But I play small titles like multiplayer games like Minecraft and Valorant. So I do not need much performance, but I can say if you want to do streaming or gaming on your laptop, so on your personal computer, so go for PCs, because they can be upgradable, they have good cooling, and they have very much better performance than laptops. So portability is something someone buys laptop for, because in my case I am 24 hours away from my home, so I have to buy a laptop. I cannot carry my computer. But if you are 2-3 hours away from your home and you get a car and you can carry your computer with it, so with you, so please buy a computer. You will get very much advantage in buying a computer. You can upgrade it easily. Many laptops in latest laptops did not support upgrading RAM. There is a huge difference between computers and laptops. You can upgrade everything of your computer, but you cannot upgrade everything on your laptop. So if you are not far away from your home, you can carry your computer with you, or you are just going to use your computer in a room, so just buy a computer, don't buy a laptop, because it is very much expensive than computer and you cannot upgrade it. So the next thing is battery backup. You can also add a battery backup in your computer, but it will be not so good, and it can also cause harm on your computer. So if you want something that will give you a battery backup, go for laptops. They have good batteries. So this is all. You can get a battery backup for your computer, but they will be not very good. They can run your computer for an half an hour or 1 hour, or you got generators. So that's another case. If you got generators, then buy a computer. or if you got batteries etc, then go for laptops, because batteries will not give you a good backup. Half an hour will be maximum, I think, but laptops can give you easy 4 to 5 hour battery backup that will help you in doing office works. The next topic I will discuss on comparison between computers and laptops is upgrading. The ability to upgrade your CPU, your laptop, or your personal computer. In computers, you can upgrade every inch of your computer, and in laptops, you can only mostly upgrade HDD, SSD, or you can upgrade your hard drive and your RAMs. But only these things are upgradable on laptops. Neither of the things on the laptops are not upgradable. So if you want to upgrade your things day by day, or if you get a small amount of money, you can upgrade your PC, but you cannot upgrade your laptop. If you want to upgrade your laptop, you will have to buy a new laptop for it. So if you want that, you should that you if you want that, you should upgrade your computer or upgrade your personal computers day by day or after some time. So go for computer. Laptops are not upgradable. Laptops are you can only thing you can upgrade in laptops are RAMs and your hard drives. The last thing I will discuss is gaming. If you want to game on a laptop, you can game on it, but it will get you very less FPS than PCs. PCs perform very well in gaming. They give you more FPS, and you can upgrade it day by day. So you will get more FPS day by day. With upgrading, you will get more FPS. In laptops, there are many issues, and playing on battery can also cause battery problems and etc. And you cannot play on battery. The display is not very good for gaming purpose. The graphics will be not very good. Even the $200 $200 price bracket cannot give you good display in laptops, but in computers you can get a good display. You can change your display to 144 Hz in etc, but laptops display is not changeable. Even in $200 bracket, you will get a HD display, not a full HD display. There are many odds of buying a laptop and also many odds of buying a computer, but this video was to tell you that which thing you should buy. In my opinion, if you are very away from your home, if the gap from your home is very large and you do not get a car, you do not have a car, so you should go for a laptop because it will give you more advantages than computer. And if you are uh, near to your home, you can buy a computer. It will give you advantages like upgrading and performance and etc. So if you like the video, just subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch more videos like this, come to my channel. I will upload more videos like this daily, inshallah. So we'll meet you into the next video. Allah Hafiz.